Hello everyone. So we'll continue with the dashboarding part. So till now we have seen how to create a logo, how to create a card, how to create a bar chart, how to create a line chart, and how to create a bar as well as the line chart. Now we got another requirement. This is the eighth requirement. What actually it is saying? Our stakeholders wants to analyze their sales by each quarter to boost the performance. What actually they want to know? They want to know the sales by each quarter so that they can take a decision to boost the performance of a business. So what I will do, I'll create one pie chart. I'll create this pie chart. In this pie chart, what I will do, based on each quarter, we have a 4 quarter, right? Based on each quarter, I will try to show their sales. So let's see how to build that. I'll open my Power BI desktop. So this is what we have built previously. Now let's see how to create a pie chart. So in the visualization, right, you can see here we have one pie chart, one donut chart. We'll see about the pie chart. So I created a pie chart. Now what I will do in this pie chart, based on each quarter they want to show. So let me make it big. So you can see here it is showing the legend. What is legend? Legend is nothing but from what basis you want to do the segmentation, means from what basis you want to divide it. So I want to divide based on the quarter, so I'll select the quarter. So based on the quarter I want to divide. Now what is the value? Value, I want to show the sales. So sales is the value. So this is how we can create a bar chart. So what I have done, a legend is nothing but based on what actually you want to divide it, this pie chart. So based on the quarter I want to divide, right? So I selected that, and the values I am showing the sum of sales. So based on each quarter they can see that. Now if they have to do a formatting, what you have to do, go to the format visual and you can see this. If you want to do the changes of the legend, like what is the text is written, if you want to make it bold, that also you can do from here. All the title and all also you can do it from here. Even in the slices also, suppose each color you want to change it, so we have a color option. That color option also we can do. Detail labels is already available, so that's why we can see the number. If I'll show you, these are the number it is showing. If you'll make it bold, it will show it properly. And similarly, we have another option, and that is a general. The general options are available. Now what I will do, in previous video I have shown you, right, whatever the visual we have done here, right, the same kind of the formatting whatever we have done here, same one I want to apply here. So I'll click on the format painter, click on this. You can see the same kind of the formatting applied. You can see the rounded is happening, all the numbers, right, the similar kind of the number actually it is showing. So like that actually it is a easy way of doing this. So let's try to arrange this so that it will look good. It will look so like that actually we can create a pie chart. Now suppose based on each quarter I want to see the sales. So if I'll select this particular quarter, so you can see based on each quarter the sales profit every chart got changed, and so based on the each quarter I can do the analysis how their sales is happening, profit is happening. So this chart is useful for the quarter wise the analysis. So I hope you got the idea. Please do practice, please do analysis.